Just wanted to do a bike check real quick. So I'll just start with my front end. Start with something simple. I have Animal bar ends in orange. They're pretty good bar ends. I have Stolen Money grips. I really don't like them. They rip a lot and they get worn down pretty quick. I have Animal sway bars. I love these bars a lot. They never bend. They've been through so much bullshit and flipping over. It's crazy. I have an Odyssey Elementary V2 stem in red. I don't see a lot of red ones around, so I just keep it. It's old, but you know, it still gets the job done. I have a Kink Black Blue Splash headset. Headset. I like that. Hasn't given me any problems since I bought it, and I've had it for like 4.5 months now. I have Fit Shiv forks. Well, everybody says they're pretty shitty forks, but had them for 2.5 years now. Well, basically right when they came out, and haven't given me any problems yet. Pretty damn light too. I have a Shadow Conspiracy stunt wheel with all the shadow shit laced up. I have Fit FAF red walls front and back. Love them tires. I always have. Fit FAF tires, different colors. Had teal walls before, but I was sad when they went. Then I have the purple valve caps. Alright, so I have Animal Stitch seat. I think that's what it's called. I don't remember. It's seat, animal seat, whatever you want to call it. I have Alienation red seat post, if you can see it. I don't know. Nice seat post. I have Demolition 2.0 or 2.0, yeah, 2.0 medial light cranks in cyan blue. I have Shadow bottom bracket in purple. Animal Vinny sprocket in purple. Shadow half link in purple. Had this chain on here since I had a purple one of these frames before, and this chain outlasts the frame. I cracked the last one. Shadow half link chain. I have Fly Reuben pedals. I love them pedals a lot. They're really good pedals. I have a Primo balance back wheel with a Primo mix cassette laced up to it. I have a couple chrome spokes, but whatever, 'cause I broke them. I have Shadow Conspiracy little ones pegs. Love them pegs. And finally, my frame. My frame is a Subrosa Villicus 21 inch. I went a little long, I don't care. I really love the frame. I like the black with the blood spatter. And that's my bike. Hope you liked it.